Good morning once again, everyone, in a lecture of cybersecurity and digital forensic. Still, we had covered almost of all the points of unit number two. In that unit, we had discussed various types of a threat. What do you mean by the threat? How threat will be considered? What is vulnerabilities? How that will be affect on the particular system? What is the cyber attacks, how the weapons will be used for the different attacking by the criminally minded person. Also we had discussed the various point related with the cyber crime. What do you mean the crime, what are the types of the crimes also. Then we had also discussed what are the various tools regarding the particular cyber crime, cyber activity. Also, we had discussed about the CIA, that is the confidentiality, integrity, and availabilities, and all the many more tools and the techniques which will be used in the cyber attacks. Same points will be available in the unit number three also. Then what is the cyber attacks once again. Then what do you mean by the particular weapons which will be used for the cyber attacks. Then the what are the particular techniques and tools will be used for the cyber crime and cyber attacks also, so that we had discussed in the previous unit also. So from the cyber attack we had discussed the various kind of techniques, that is a man the middle viruses, then the denial of services attacks, the phishing, spoofing, and many more attacks that will be used by the particular criminal minded person to attacking on the particular organizations or particular networks to get the data from their particular system. So once again, as most of the students may not aware about the concept of the phishing and spoofing, in the day-to-day life also we are get coming from such kind of a attack also in our daily routines. We will getting some kind of phishing call or the spoofing calls and messages also that will be, or emails also, that may harm, that may attack on the particular users data. So that will be available. So now we are going to considering what do you mean by the phishing, spoofing, and spamming that we had discussed in the previous lecture also. Then how to protect yourself from the such kind of a cyber activity, because you know that okay, once the criminally minded person or the attack will be happen on your organization or the particular networks or the your system or you on your particular electronic devices, so it may happen that there will be chances to get data from your devices, to get confidential material from your devices. Unauthorized person may get access, he may get anything from your devices or the system, and all the things, and many more things will be available there. So that may, we can say that that may affect to the particular user to get a use of the internet, because today's era, because of the some situation or new technology, we can say that, or the evolving technologies, everyone from the particular country or India attracted towards the internet, from the childhood person to the particular biggest older one, younger to the older one. Everyone maybe use some kind of internet on their particular devices, means WhatsApp messages, then the other e-commerce applications, YouTube applications, videos, chatting, social media accounts, transactions over the internet, all the things, many more things that will be used over the your devices through the internet. So it is chances that anyone person or any criminal minded person may attack on your system, may hack your system, so that they will getting onto the particular system. So we are going to consider one by one what do you mean by the phishing and all the things. So phishing scam and fraudulent emails that will be available on your particular email inbox. So that phishing scam will be, you don't know about what is exactly mean by the how the emails will be available in your particular inbox, and how that scam, that is phishing scam, phishing mails will be try to attract you, try to get access of your system by clicking on that particular messages. So we are going to discuss about what is doing by the fraudulent kind of emails, means the emails that will be uh, getting in your particular inbox to we can say that key to choose or to uh, take concentration of your particular to get click on the particular link, so that they will be getting some kind of access of your particular system by clicking on the particular link. Phishing is a type of deception designed to steal your valuable personal data, such as credit card numbers, passwords, account data, or other informations. What happened that most of the people may try to use the devices for storing their personal numbers, for storing their account number, for storing their confidential data, that is credit card number, PIN numbers, and other kind of information that will be very important, valuable information. So phishing is a design such that key that we try to store, capture or try to kept your particular personal or valuable data, so that key you will be not getting notified when they get access of your particular devices and try to theft your data. That is the phishing. आपको शायद पता होगा कि एज whenever the anyone person try to get सम काइंड, और जैसे कि आप वीडियो में देख रहे हैं कि एक पर्टिकुलर पर्सन जो है फिश को कैप्चर करने के लिए उन्होंने कुछ तो भी एक प्लान बनाया है, जिसकी जैसे आपको पता है कि दैट पर्टिकुलर डिवाइसेस दैट विल बी यूज एंड दैट डिवाइसेस मे गेट हैव सम काइंड ऑफ atoms over there, so that ki whenever you are going to enter that particular devices into the rope into the particular river, so that ki that fishes will be attracted there and they try to get attached to that particular atom, so that ki whenever they will be get attached to that particular atoms, that may get captured by the particular man. So such kind of आप बोल सकते हो कि जैसे कि अट्रैक्शन मेल्स, attraction links will be getting in your mailbox, so that whenever you are going to click on that particular thing, you will be get captured. So con artists might send millions of fraudulent emails messages that appear to come from website you trust, like your bank or credit card company, and request that you provide personal information. As you know कि most of the time the number of messages will be available in your devices also, text messages और email messages, so that कि जैसे कि आपको पता चलता है कि whenever they कि for the authentication or for credit card numbers or for the activation of your debit card, for the क्या बोल सकते हैं कि activation of your account will require the Aadhaar card number and all the things and all the things. Such kind of a link messages will be available there. So update your Aadhaar card number so that you will be getting access to your particular account, and so on, so on, so on. Number of foreign kind of a mail will be available to your inbox also. Number of messages will be available in your particular devices also. So that is the kind of a phishing. If you are going to click or sending the particular messages to them, so you will be get captured there, your information will get stolen there. So history of phishing is that ki phishing plus phishing is the phishing. आपको शायद पता होगा कि फ्रिकिंग इन मेकिंग अ फोन कॉल्स फॉर फ्री बैक इन 70, दैट इज एक फ्रेकिंग काइंड ऑफ अ कॉल दैट विल बी अवेलेबल देयर इन 70, दैट की मेकिंग फोन कॉल्स टू फ्री और back in 70s वगैरह वगैरह ऐसे था उसमें. फिशिंग इज यूज टू बेट टू ल्योर दैट टारगेट. सो जो भी आपका टारगेट होगा टू get them you need to require some particular kind of a bait there. So phishing will be evolved in 1995 and targeted to the AOL user purpose to getting account password for free time. So that will be evolving in 1995 and that will be uses or may getting that key your password for the account number and all the things that will be get them. So the category for the threat that is very low and some social engineering kind of techniques will be used to get access of a particular account number, that is www.aol.com or the AO1.com. That will be the similar name, the technique will be used, that mail will be getting from such kind of a website also. Phishing in 2001, that is a target by e-bears and major banks that key purpose to getting credit card numbers and account numbers also. So in 2001 also phishing mails will be getting from the number of sites that will be e-buyers, so person who are going to buy through the particular application or e-commerce applications. So at the time of a payment or the transaction e-payment, at that time they will try to get your credit card numbers or if you want to pay through the online and your account details also. That will be the scam in 2001. So that will be targeted to the e-commerce application who want to buy through the internet. Threat level is a medium in that time and technique will be used in same in the 1995. That is a keylogger. Mean how what key, as you know that key in previous unit we had discussed about the keylogger. So what kind of a behavior of your person when he want to type something on the keyboard, that will be captured by the most of the time by the criminal minded person. So that technique will be used in the phishing in 2001 also. Phishing in 2007, PayPal, bank and eBay. So most of the time whenever you want to do the particular transaction on the internet, so PayPal transaction and the eBay and other things that will be used, and they want to stolen your particular bank account details. So whenever you want to use such kind of application, and a high kind of a threat level will be there. So they are trying to use the browser vulnerabilities and the link obfuscations. So what kind of a vulnerabilities or weaknesses will be there in a browser? By using that vulnerabilities, they try to attack on the particular customer who want to use the particular applications, EB application and PayPal and all things. So bad day phishing beats a good day working. So in 2000, 2 billion emails are sent to the particular person and in number of targeted person. 5% of get the end user and 5% click on the phishing link. Means whenever you will be getting the multiple kind of targeted people will be targeted by the particular people, so that key number of them means 5% get the end user, means near about 1 billion, and then 5% will be tried to click on a phishing link. So 2% from them enter data into the phishing site. So they will try to get enter their personal details to the particular link, and from each person who enters the data they will be getting one 1200 सो यहाँ पे आप थोड़ा सोच सकते हो कि by clicking on such kind of a fraudulent mails links, how they will be get money. So potential reward will be that available there. So phishing is a very growing problems nowadays, because over 28,000 unique phishing attacks reported in December 2006, about double the number of 2005. Means in 2005 there is a less number of phishing kind of attacks will be there, but in 2006 that will be get increases by the double number. Estimates suggest phishing attacks affected 2 millions of US citizens and cost of business billions of dollars in 2005. So number of targeted people will be they're finding out in US there will be the 2 millions US citizens will be get affected from such kind of phishing attacks. Additional losses due to consumer fears, because once you will get such kind of activity with you, and you will be getting some kind of a losses, and you uh, aware about such kind of a thing on the internet. If you are going to access the internet, it may chances that the phishing mails and your activity will be get captured. Then next time you will be cautious and try, and there is a some kind of a fear in your particular mind that how to use internet, it is possible to use the internet or e-commerce application, and all the things means all the activity we need to do really on the internet, because such kind of a scam will be occurred there. So you think once before doing the next time. So what does a phishing scam look like? As a scam artists become more sophisticated, so do their phishing email messages and pop-up windows. So they will try to use the different techniques for the attracting or the notifying their particular users. So that particular sophisticated person or the scam artist may try to provide phishing emails messages and pop up the particular window, so that you will be get click on the particular windows. They often include official looking logos from real organizations and other identifying information taken directly from legitimate kind of a website. So to attracting or to knowing real kind of a mail, to that artist or the scam artist may try to use the different kind of real logos of organizations, and try to provide and try to get access of their particular website, so that you will be click on that particular link, you will be get converted to the next kind of a website. So that kind of a scam artist will be designed so that anyone who want to use the internet facility or the applications, so they may think that it will is a real, and at the time of working on the internet or accessing the internet, no one care about the other things. So we totally trust on the particular sites also, we totally trust on the government also, their privacy also, and we totally think that whatever you are going to do on the internet with the help of internet, because we don't know, anyone don't know, a common man doesn't know what kind of a method technique is used by the particular person or criminal minded person to get access of your particular devices. So just as you know that most of the application may want allow permissions, require permission to get access of your devices, that is the camera, contact number, all the things. At the same time, such kind of applications that will be designed by the such a scam artists may try to get permission from your side also. They want to access your contact numbers, they want to access your media files, they want to access your particular so and so. So we are in a hurry that we doesn't need to read, we doesn't require to read all the information carefully. Before reading each and everything, we just click on the allow buttons. Most of the time it may happen that such means that thing also will happen with me also most of the time. So just we are going to access that particular application at the same time, and we are in a mood to access that application, and we don't follow the rules and regulation, and just we want to just click on the what they want, we are just allow them to get access of a particular devices. So that person or that user may get captured there, and that will be the chances that scam will be occurred there. So current phishing technique that will be used, because there are the number of technique will be available there. So every times the particular person or criminal minded person want to use the different techniques, so that they will be getting the data or accessing the data or accessing the devices from the particular uh, end user or user, so that key they will be not notified to the customer also, or they easily try to get captured your particular data. So current phishing technique that will be available there: employ visual elements from targeted site. That is a DNS tricks that will be used there. That is a www.ebay.com.kr. Then the particular IP address is there available there, and www.google.com, Unicode attacks, all the things, JavaScript attacks, spoof SSL lock certificate. Phishing can acquire certificate for domains they own. Certificate authorities make mistakes, and all the things. This kind of a current phishing technique will be used by them. So spear phishing improve target selections. So फिशिंग, इफ़ यू वांट टू डू द फिशिंग मीन्स जनरल फिशिंग, अगर आपको मछलियाँ अगर लेनी है, आपका अगर वो आपको शौक है उसका, तो यू कैन यूज़ द डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टेक्निक्स ऑल्सो इन दिस lecture. You can see the number of picture that will be the different pictures to get fishing in the particular river by the particular end user. So to improve your target selections, you use a spare kind of a phishing. Socially aware attacks, that is means mine social relationship from the public data. Phishing email appear to arrive from someone known to the victim. एज यू नो दैट कि जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम मैंने आपको बताया भी था कि फेसबुक के ऊपर डुप्लीकेट अकाउंट बहुत सारे बन गए थे, और दैट will be contacted with you, means that will be the social friend of your particular person. सो जैसे डुप्लीकेट अकाउंट फेसबुक के ऊपर बहुत सारे बन गए थे, जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ था कि लास्ट टाइम जैसे कि someone may try to beg for the money to their friend, social friend, थ्रू द इनबॉक्स. जैसे उनको मैसेज जाते थे फेसबुक के ऊपर कि हाई आई नीड 20,000 रुपीज़, प्लीज़ पे अर्जेंटली एंड विल बी, आपको बाद में मैं ये सब चीज़ आपके पता, उसके लिए उन्होंने फ़ोनपे की लिंक वगैरह बाद में दी थी. तो जिसकी वजह से नंबर ऑफ़ पीपल, ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को लगता था कि भाई ये इतना अच्छा पर्सन है, इतना बड़ा फ्रेंड है, और उसको सच्ची में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ होगा जिसकी वजह से इतने पैसे के लिए डिमांड किया है. ऐसे बहुत सारे लास्ट टाइम हुआ था, अभी रिसेंटली बात है ये. तो दैट काइंड ऑफ known person will be get victim, that will be they such kind of a mail, phishing mail will be getting to them also. So use the spoof identity of a trusted organizations to gain the trust. तो ऐसे कभी मेल जब आते हैं आपको, जैसे कि तो दे ट्राई टू यूज़ द डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस लोगो एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सच दैट कि यू विल बी थिंक दैट कि दैट विल बी द रियल ऑल्सो. जैसे कि आपको शायद फेसबुक के ऊपर आपने बहुत बार देखा भी होगा, और आपने बहुत बार आपको बहुत बार ऐसी चीज़ें मिली भी होंगी देखने के लिए कि समवन नीड हेल्प, इफ़ यू ट्राई टू पे ऑन सच काइंड ऑफ अकाउंट नंबर, सो दैट मे बी द पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ पेमेंट फ्रॉम योर साइड विल बी help them to get removed from such kind of diseases and all the things. Urge victims to update or validate their accounts. Threaten to terminate the account if the victim not reply. जैसे कि बहुत बार ऐसे भी आता है कि update your numbers, update your information so that कि your account will be get activated or prolonged for the next time also. If you are not updated and you are ignoring such kind of mails, then again they will try to send you mail, number of mails, so that कि they try to again send the mail that your account will be closed if you are not update the particular data and all the things. Such kind of activity will be available there. Use gift और बोनस एज अ बेट ऑल्सो. जैसे कि बहुत बार ऐसे मेल भी आता है कि हाई यू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, यू विल बी awarded, or your number, Airtel number, will be selected for the prize or rewards or awards from the various numbers, millions of numbers. So click on the link and fill your data so that you will be reach at you, and to your award will be getting to you also, means number of million rupees, billion rupees will be get to you. So a phishing type of a mail will be there. Security promises and all the things. Context aware attacks. Your bid on eBay has owned, the books on your Amazon wish list are सेल. जैसे कि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि जैसे कि आप एप्लीकेशन बहुत बार यूज़ करते हो एट दैट टाइम इट में हैपन दैट कि से मैंने आपको बताया जैसे कि एट द टाइम एप्लीकेशन एट द टाइम योर पर्टिकुलर ट्रांजैक्शन विल बी गेट द नंबर ऑफ, जैसे कि अभी मेरे ख्याल से गूगल पे बोलो या फिर फ़ोनपे पे जब आप ट्रांजैक्शन करते हो तो आफ्टर 6 ट्रांजैक्शन विल बी गेटिंग सम काइंड ऑफ की, जैसे गूगल पे अभी फिलहाल चालू है ट्रेंड कि यू हैव टू ट्रांजैक्ट फॉर द 6 टाइम एंड यू विल बी गेट some items, and if you are completed these items, so you will be able to get cashback of from 100 to the 600 and all the things all the times. ऐसा कुछ तो भी उनका भी चल रहा है फिलहाल, बट गूगल हैव द सम काइंड ऑफ सिक्योरिटी, बट इट मे हैपन दैट सम एप्लीकेशन may use or may try to get such kind of a facility, and they try to attract their customer by providing such kind of messages, and they try to get access of the particular data also. Some example are there, that is कि how US Bank, that is your account information will be verified by US Bank department in the next 24 hours. Thank you for your cooperation. ऐसे आपको बहुत बार मशीन के मेल आते हैं. देन इंटरनेट बैंकिंग आपको, जैसे कि उसमें आपको फ्यूचर पर्पज़ के लिए अगर यूज़ करना है तो यू हैव टू प्रोवाइड द इंफॉर्मेशन ID एंड पासवर्ड योर. So that will be the, you can see in URL how the particular URL will be available there. So whole 210.104.211.21, that is the location of Korea Republic of. Even a bigger problem, I don't have an account with US Bank, means जैसे कि बहुत सारे लोगों के अकाउंट भी रहते हैं तो also they will be getting notified by the particular thing. So how to tell if an email message is a fraudulent? So in next lecture we'll try to discuss more about what is then email message is fraudulent, how to tell an email message is fraudulent, what is the different technique will be there, and what is the spoofing and all the thing, how to get protected from such kind of a thing. I hope ki till now you had just clear up concept about your that ki why such kind of a criminal minded person use the technique of a phishing, and by using the phishing technique how they will be get access of your devices how they try to get trust of your particular user, so that ki you are able to click on the some link and your devices will be get captured by them, your information may be get stolen by them, and they try to convince you by providing the mails, number of mails and a number of kind of technique they are going to use, so that ki they may think that ki they are trying to convince you are seeing that ki from the 2 millions of email messages they try to send to number of targeted people, out of them 5%, means near about 10,000 people or 1 lakh people will be get click on the link, and out of them means 2% of the people, that is 10,000 to the number of people will be get entered their personal data to the particular link, and from them they will be getting the number of money, and that is the their particular, that is a fraudulent kind of thing will be done by the that person or that criminal minded person most of the time. So these are the various techniques that will be used. So I hope ki your concept regarding the phishing, how the mail will become from the that artist, scam artist, and how that will be try to attract you, and all the things will be clear up to this. In next lecture we will try to discuss about the more concept of the phishing and the spoofing. Thank you very much for watching and attending the sessions. I once again I reminder you that ki most of the part of unit number 3 we had covered in unit number 2 also, side by side. Number of means Most of the time part means 50% part will be covered in a second unit. Same part will be available here also. And I hope ki in previous unit also your concept will be get clear properly. In this unit we'll try to cover remaining part of the unit number 3 and all the things. Thank you very much for attending the session. Thank you very much.